This is cool. I've got two customers, one of them called Peter, one of them called Wojciech, and they told me about this feature. If you got Hyundai 360-degree camera, make sure you're set up on BlueLink. I have videos for how to link up BlueLink, so just let me know in the comments and I can send it on. But basically a QR code scan, enter a code, and then BlueLink will be set up on your phone. Once you go into the BlueLink app, you can scroll up and down on the home page, but I'd advise you to go to the bottom, go for the status tab, and then scroll down through status until you see current view. Go into current view, it'll tell you that the battery is going to be used. It'll also tell you basically, some terms and conditions, ask you to allow to use your camera roll. You have to enter the pin that you've set up on BlueLink. And then after that, you can ask it to give you the current view around the car. So you can go into the different areas, front, back, side. And how you do that is you toggle down through the bottom menus here. So that gives you the access to the different views. And then you see the little round take a picture tab on the right in the top. Once you press that, it'll take that image, but it'll save it to your camera roll then. So it's pretty cool the way it works. One thing I noticed as well, when it's taken or just before it takes the photos, it actually flashes the indicators 3 times. I think it's super cool. And actually, so Wojciech told me about it and I wasn't sure how to do it or if we could do it, but then he came back to me and said, yes, you can definitely do it. And then Peter actually sent me some screenshots of how he did it as well. So thank you for the information. But I think that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.